Hey boys and girls, today I thought we'd talk about numbers, specifically numbers in pancakes. So I got this trusty, handy dandy little pancake pouring batter from Miss Dion. Her son was having a fundraiser at school, and I'm so glad I bought it because I can do all kinds of cool things with it. So today we're going to make numbers. My daughter, 1, 2, 3, make 3 a little better, 4, my 4 a little better, 5, 6. I only got room for 6. So my daughter loves to have her pancakes dyed different colors. So we put some blue dye in, and you can see it's kind of coming through.
Because blue's the favorite color.
Pancakes are the pumpkin pancake, and so they have a little bit of a kind of a yellowy brown tint to them because I put pumpkin. Well, yeah, because I put pumpkin in them. So you can easily learn your numbers with food, make pancakes like that. Now, you don't have to necessarily have a pouring container like that. You can always maybe use some other kind of thing like a measuring cup or something. You could also do shapes with your pancakes, and you could do the alphabet with your pancakes. So, just wanted to let you know that. All right, and so I'm going to continue with my numbers. 7, 8. That was a bigger 8. Wow. 9 and 10. And if you want, you can do shapes. We'll make a square. Now, when you're doing your pancakes and you flip them over, of course they're going to be backwards. So you'll just have to have them flipped over again so they look the right way. So 7, 8, 9, 10, and a square. Okay, so now I'm going to continue my shapes. I'm going to make a circle. Maybe I'll fill that one in. Okay. And I'm going to make a triangle. And I already made my square. And color my triangle in. And I'm going to make a rectangle. Well, this is going to be hard. I'm starting to run out of batter. I'm going to reload. I'll have to reload my batter. Okay, let's try that rectangle again. There's my rectangle. Has 4 sides, 4 corners. Just like the square does, but it's stretched out a little bit. And look, we'll try to even make letters. All right, so we have my A and the B and the C and D. Okay. So maybe next time when your mom's going to make pancakes, or your grandma or dad or your aunt, you can say, hey, can you make pancakes in the shape of letters, or in the shape of numbers, or in the shape of the shapes like square, circle, rectangle, and triangle. All right, so we're going to move on with our letters. We have letter E, capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I, and capital J. You can even make your name out of pancakes. How fun would that be? So, E, F, G, H, I, and J. So, boys and girls, thank you for watching our video on making shapes. I didn't finish all my alphabet. I don't have that much pancake batter left. But just remember, learning your letters, number, shapes, and even colors can be done with pancakes and other food. Learning should be fun. Don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.